Retail sales increased by 6.4% in 2021 compared to the previous year to reach 909 billion. The main contributing factors were retailers in clothing, textile, footwear and leather goods. Economists say that although the country has had some economic recovery, this has not yet led to more jobs being created. They say this is likely to have a negative impact on consumer spending.
We should keep in mind that this is to some extent still just a recovery after the decline that we saw during the unrest. In other words, these are not record high volumes of sales. It's really just reverting to pre-unrest levels. It would have been supported by ongoing grants, but our client data implies that there was also perhaps some support from an employment recovery. We are reasonably optimistic about the outlook for the consumer, and again it hinges on the outlook for employment.
Economists say last year's total retail sales are still below the pre-COVID-19 times, but it's not all doom and gloom. Mullman expects the economy to recover in the near future.
Employment levels are particularly low relative to output, and therefore there's an incentive for firms to start rehiring people, and that should support consumer spending.
Economists say that the anticipated lifting of a national state of disaster next month is expected to boost the retail sector, as more shops are expected to return to normal trading hours. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News, Johannesburg.